In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust brightness in Photopea. To begin, open the Photopea project that contains the image you want to edit. Before making any adjustments, it is recommended to zoom out slightly and then hold the space key on your keyboard to move your canvas a little toward the left side of the screen. This creates enough space to clearly view the adjustment panel on the right and allows you to see the brightness changes across your entire image in real time. Once your workspace is set, go to the bottom right side of the screen and click on the New Adjustment Layer icon, which appears as a half-filled circle. From the menu that opens, select the Brightness/Contrast option. This will open the Brightness and Contrast Properties panel, where you can start making adjustments. As you move the brightness slider toward the right, you will notice your image becoming brighter. Moving the slider toward the left will reduce the brightness and make the image appear darker. If you ever want to reset the brightness, setting the value back to 0 will return it to its default state. You can also manually enter a specific numeric value if you prefer precise control over the brightness level. After you are satisfied with the changes, simply right-click on the Properties panel and close it. Make sure the brightness adjustment layer remains above your image layer in the Layers panel, as placing it below the image will prevent it from affecting the image. And this is how you can adjust brightness in Photopea.